So I'm back again, okay? So today I just want to prove a point, okay? I want to prove a point, man. Like it's getting so like damn, I can't take it anymore, okay? I gotta speak up. I gotta speak up because if you don't talk, people gonna be like, hell no, we know this is true, and I know this is not true, okay? All right, man. So everywhere I go, I see they say AI is smarter than this. They just be like, we got the smartest AI. We got to do this. We got an AI that do this, bro. I'm trying to tell you right now. No AI is better than me. No AI is smarter than I am. No AI is capable of doing what I can do. Do you feel me right now? Like, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Like, no AI is smarter than I am. Okay. No AI is better than me. Your ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Perplexity AI, OpenClaw, any of them, bro. None of them is smarter. None of them is smarter than me, okay? I just want to prove the point to you. And for y'all to understand, AI make mistakes. I make mistakes too. You make mistakes too. So AI is not smarter than me, bro. Like, no. It can't be, bro. This is a bot. This is a fucking bot, okay? I can do more than ChatGPT. I can do more than Gemini. I can do more than Claude. I can do more than DeepSeek. I can do more than Perplexity AI. What's going on, bro? Like, mention them, all the AIs we got in this world right now. I am smarter than them. Like no comparison, no comparison, bro. Like y'all be depending on this AI. Y'all say, oh my god, like what? Hey, ChatGPT, what's going on? Like I just gotta see some simple shit, and just help me out with it. You gotta do this with your head, bro. Like now, God created you, bro. You what, bro? Like what's going on? I'm smarter than them, bro. Like they just built on banks of information. That's why, bro. Like that's why. Or else, like, wow. Just tell me how AI is smarter than me. No, that can't be. It can't be, bro. Nah. So y'all should stop saying that, okay? Y'all should stop saying that. No AI is better than me. No AI is better than me. No AI is smarter than me. No AI is capable of doing what I can do. No AI is intelligent more than me. I can see more than them. I can see more than your ChatGPT, your Claude, your Gemini, your DeepSeek. Oh, mention them all. Yeah, I'm done. And make sure to iron your vegetables, maybe once or twice in a week. I don't know. It's up to you, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna see y'all later.